What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I wanted to share with you my first photo ticket. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna be testing out the green screen, so let me know what you think in the comments down below. So I've had friends and family tell me about their stories of getting some photo tickets. You know, they go open their mail and there it is, a ticket. And I always thought, like, how could you get a photo ticket when there's a big sign that says photo enforced? So it kind of gives you a warning that you're gonna get a picture taken. And then all of a sudden I have something in the mail. That's right, a photo ticket. So when we review the video and I'll show you it, you don't know who's driving the car. Could be me, could be a little leprechaun, could be Rocky, who knows? Could be anyone, right? So that's one thing. I don't know if I should fight the ticket or just pay it. I believe it's about $150, which is why I'm also making this video, because I want to hear from you guys, see what you recommend doing. If you guys have had this situation before, and have you paid for it, or did you take it to like a ticket clinic or something? So please leave those in the comments down below. Alright, so let's get right into the video. Let's start. It's a nice sunny day here in Florida. As you can tell, this camera is really bad, so maybe that's why they're looking for some money to get some better high def cameras, maybe. So let's start it here. Here we go. This is the left turning signal, so that's red, so that's not the one. This is the light that we're going to be looking at. So right now it's yellow, so I'm going to hit play here. Red, so it just hit red right here. So as you can see, a lot of stuff going on. You got spotted right here. That's right, spotted. Give him a little wave. What up? And then we have this big yellow. Not gonna snitch or anything, but there it is. We got a lot of stuff going on here, right? So they probably made a bunch of money just off this 1 second. Let's continue it. So as you can see, coming to a stop, whoever's driving this car, it could be, I mean, it could be a Tesla with a Subi body frame on it. It could be driving itself. Who knows? So let's go ahead and play it. Just what a beautiful turn. So as you can see, the person driving the car drove right through the red light, which, guys, do not do. Don't ever roll through a red light. Always come to a complete stop. Please practice safe driving. We don't know why they didn't stop at the red light. They should have, for sure, but maybe they didn't have their coffee that morning because someone drank all the milk, or that school bus may have been in the way, you know, blocking the light. Who knows? Or I can't think of another one. There is no evidence of who is driving the car. So from the things that I've read and heard, if you do take it to court, I guess you could kind of fight that because they have to prove who was driving the car. So here's a photo that they sent of the red light. As you can see clearly, I mean, at first I was like, they only sent me photos, so I was like, how do they know I didn't stop? Because it looks like I'm stopped here. But then they sent me the video and I was like, ah, alright. Thought it was only a photo, but they did send a video. Another thing to look into, it says the R time, which I believe is the red light time, is 2.4 seconds. I don't know if that means anything to anyone, but it's 2.4. I don't know. I feel like some attorneys look at that to fight it. I don't know what the number should be. If there is anything positive to take out of this, did get a cool video out of it. If I end up paying $150 for this, for the ticket, you know, I'll have a cool intro. Maybe I'll add it to my intro, make it worth it. A cool $150 intro. Who knows? So yeah, guys, if you have any stories to share, please leave them in the comments down below. Also, let me know what you think I should do. Do I pay it, or do I take it to a ticket clinic to fight it? Is it worth $150? Who knows? Please let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.